War. Chimney rock gets its name from the old stick and mortar chimneys. If you guys are like me, maybe a little bit hungry, you might think they look like a nice soft stack of buttermilk pancakes. And our last formation up here before we speed things up again straight ahead of the road at the clearing in the trees, that is Black Hawk's profile. You guys might see a large rock sticking out for Black Hawk's nose, cracking the rock above the nose for his eyes, slanted rock at the top there for the forehead, and the trees up top would make up a Native American ceremonial headdress.
Super delegates. Like they say, oh, we can super delegates and we're going to early now they're in the winter. Oh, it's just jumping trips. And, you know, if we don't have free throw elections, we don't have it's very, they got to really get this thing down. It's very experimental. You heard what happened here in New York.
Someone got you too. And then what, you got more? I didn't buy cheese.
She didn't give me cheese, but she gave me as I told her.
Okay.
So we'll take 15 powerballs, not a to say.
Native people. I see an awful lot of that mean Native people on late. Most people don't talk about it. Oh, I put it right out on the table. The Williamsburg.
Cocoa nibs have been ground down like this for thousands of years. Milling machines generate lots of heat through intense pressure and friction. The grinding turns cocoa nibs into the smooth, dark liquid used to make milk and dark chocolate.
Tanker trucks pick up milk from local farms and line up outside our factory for delivery. Hershey is one of the only companies in the world that uses fresh milk to make milk chocolate. Fresh milk is part of what gives Hershey's milk chocolate its delicious and distinctive taste. Part of my job is, this is where the art of chocolate making all comes together. As the mixture
Feel the temperature start go down? As we get close to the rock actually is putting out that cold. See where a tree hit it this winter? A tree fell down in here. It broke the rock right apart. Boy. You actually touch the rock, you feel how cold it is. Feel, oh. Now that's...
Mira para allá, el agua. Mira para allá la otra agua. Mira, mira.
هاي مرحبا، كيفكم؟ شو أخباركم؟ أنا أحب أعرفكم عن حالي وعن قناتي وشو الهدف من عندها. أنا اسمي عايدة، أنا ساكنة في أمريكا بولاية أوهايو. هدف من قناتي وحبيت إني تصير عندي قناة لأن كثير أنا محبة للسفر ومحبة للمناظر الطبيعية والمغامرات، وكثير من أسافر كثير عندي صديقاتي بيسألوني عايدة وين هذا المكان؟ عايدة شو النشاطات اللي بي؟ فأنا حبيت من هالباب إني أعمل قناة اللي يستفيد الكل ويشوف المناظر الحلوة والمناظر الطبيعية الخلابة طبعا، والنشاطات والمغامرات اللي أنا بعملها. فلهيك قررت إني أعمل قناة أورجيكم فيها كل الأماكن اللي أنا أروح لها وراح أروح لها. الهدف من عنده إنه الكل يستفيد. وطبعا اجيت لهالمكان لأن أنا بطبيعتي بحب الطبيعة وبحب المناظر هاي الخلابة. طبعا هذا أول فيديو إني أطلع فيه وإني أحكي، وإن شاء الله راح أروح أكثر من مكان اللي أحكي لكم أكثر وأكثر وبالتفصيل، والله يوفقني.